Now, today's topic is cutting speed and feed for milling machine. Cutting speed and feed for milling machine. Why? What is cutting speed for milling machine? The cutting speed of a milling cutter is the distance traveled by per minute by the cutting edge of cutter. That means in the milling machine there was a cutter, multi cutter. The cutting speed means the distance traveled by the cutter. That means this is the cutter, this cutters whose distance is traveled, this is called cutting speed. That means this cutter circumference, the circumferences of this cutter is the cutting speed, and it is expressed in meters per minute. It is expressed in meters per minutes. It is a unit of speed, unit of speed. Or the feet per minute. Now, what happened? The diameter of the cutter, we considered the cutter's diameter d, and it is revolves in n revolution. D is dia of the cutter and n is revolution per minute. Then what happened? The distance traveled by the cutter, that means this is a circle, and when the circle is distance travel, the distance traveled by the cutter what? That means pi into d. Pi into d, unit is millimeter, the dia unit is millimeter. So for the distance traveled per minute, the total distance what? If the revolution is n, then the total distance is n into pi into d, n into pi into d, or cutting speed is equal to pi d n by 1000 in meter per minute. That means this is my in millimeter unit. When the speed is appear, there is meter, that means 1000 is below the per dn by 1000 into meter per minute, or the cutting speed is equal to pi dn by 12 feet per minute. Feet per minute. Okay, this is my cutting speed equation for a milling machine. Okay, now what? we can say that if the diameter of the cutter is increased, that means the dia of the cutter is increased and the RPM is same. The diameter of the cutter is increased and the RPM is same. If the dia of the cutter is increased and the RPM is same, or the RPM is increased and the diameter is same, both of cases the cutting speed will increase. The cutting speed will increase. Now the feed of a milling machine. What is feed? It is represent the table traveled in any direction measured in millimeter. That means in the milling machine we see there was a table. The table which is moves in right side or left side or any angle. This what feet this table traveled. The table travel in any direction measured in any direction, and it is measured in millimeter. A feet can be given to the table either by hand or through automatic machines. The feet is expressed in three types. What? First, feet per minute. Feet per minutes. That means the table travel in millimeter. The table travel in millimeter in 1 minute. That means in 1 minute in any direction. In any direction. And it is expressed as millimeter per minute. Second, feet per tooth. Feet per tooth. That means the table travel. That means the table travel in millimeter during the period when the cutter revolves through an angle corresponding to the distance between the cutting edge of two adjacent teeth. That means what? In milling machine there is a cutter. Feet per tooth means the distance revolves when the angle corresponding to the distance. That means this teeth and this teeth, the distance, this is called feet per tooth. Next point, feet per revolution, feet per revolution. The travel in millimeter during the period when the cutter makes one full revolution. One full revolution, and it is expressed in millimeter per revolution, and it is expressed in millimeter per revolution. Another interesting things that in milling machine, feet per revolution is equal to feet per tooth into T. T for number of teeth. Number of teeth in the cutter. And another is feet per minute is equal to feet per revolution into N. N means number of revolution per minute of cutter. The feet per minute is equal to feet per tooth into T into N.